What is your reality on building wealth across borders? For many in the African diaspora, financial freedom isn't just about a comfortable retirement. It's about security for our families, dignity in our later years, and the power to create opportunities back home. Yet, despite our hard work abroad, too many of us are earning well but building little lasting wealth. The silent challenge. Living and working abroad comes with unique financial challenges. Currency risk. Your savings in pounds, dollars, or euros can lose value quickly when converted to your home currency. Inflation back home. That rental income from Lagos, Nairobi, or Accra can be eaten away if you don't plan for inflation. Fragmented investing. Splitting investments between countries without a strategy often means lower returns and higher risk. Why this matters. Without deliberate planning, decades of hard work can dissolve into remittances that meet immediate needs but don't create long-term stability, either for you or your family. Financial freedom means flipping the script. Your money works for you, both where you live and where your roots are. Steps to build wealth across borders. Adopt a dual market mindset. Invest in assets in your country of residence for stability and in your home country for opportunity. Leverage global diversification. Use ETFs, mutual funds, and property across different economies to protect against currency and political risk. Plan for retirement early. Don't rely solely on state pensions or relatives. Create a personal retirement plan that works regardless of where you live in the future. Think generationally. Use wills, trusts, or co-ownership structures to ensure assets are passed smoothly to the next generation, avoiding disputes and losses. Now is time to act. Financial freedom is not a distant dream. It's a disciplined journey. The African diaspora has the advantage of earning in stronger currencies and accessing diverse investment tools. By acting now, you can secure your own future and create lasting legacies for generations to come. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel for more. Turn your hard-earned monies today into wealth tomorrow. Moloney Street Tree. Build your financial future one step at a time.